The BISSELL TurboClean has excellent accessories, and in this video I'm going to show you how those work. I am using my favorite BISSELL carpet cleaner, and I love obviously how well it cleans up the carpet. It really does suck up all the stains, whether it's focus stains or a full carpet cleaning. It does a fantastic job, but this is the focus point, and here you can add this extra long cord to attach your accessories. The first accessory is this focused spray nozzle. It sprays really, really well. It's great for those corners, and it has really strong suction as well. So all of those gross carpet corners finally can be cleaned. And this accessory is very similar to the BISSELL Little Green machine. It is that fantastic focused accessory that can both scrub the floor, spray the cleaner down, and then suck up all the debris and dirt the carpet cleaner is pulling out of the carpet. It has much stronger suction than the Little Green machine. I have that as well, and I have switched to only using the TurboClean. I also love that thanks to the super long hose, I can basically clean my entire stairwell without having to hold the upright carpet cleaner on a stair. I only had to hold it on one in the middle. Past that, the hose is long enough for me to clean the entire staircase, no problem. It's a fast job, it does a fantastic job, and it really does get all of the gross dirt out of my carpet. As you can see here, all of that was in that little bit of carpet you saw me cleaning. Love it.